Communicable diseases. How are communicable diseases spread? Communicable diseases spread through air, water, food, insects, and direct contact. Through air. When a sick person coughs, sneezes, or spits, germs are released into the air. When a healthy person breathes this air, germs enter his or her body and make him sick. Therefore, we should always cover our nose and mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. Diseases like common cold, flu, and tuberculosis spread through air. Through direct contact. When a healthy person comes in contact with a sick person or his handkerchief, towel, clothes, etc., he can get infected by the germs. Diseases like measles, chickenpox, and ringworm spread through direct contact. Through infected food and water. Sometimes food and water may get infected with germs if they are not stored or handled properly. Flies and cockroaches can contaminate our food with germs. Diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and polio spread through infected food and water. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing. Through insects. Diseases like malaria, dengue, plague, and chikungunya spread through blood-sucking insects like mosquitoes, bugs, and flies. Malaria is caused by a protozoan that is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites someone with malaria, the germs are sucked up with the blood. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, the germs are injected into the healthy person's blood, causing malaria. Dengue is spread by the bite of Aedes mosquito. Plague is spread by the bite of flea carried by rat.